Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you clicking on that video as always. And we are back with another video. And in today's video, I wanted to go over a fragrance that I would consider definitely my favorite fresh fragrance under $45. Aside from what this thing costs, I would recommend this to my closest friend, and I actually have a story about that. So without further ado, let's jump into the fragrance. Really quickly, guys, if this is your first time finding this channel, my name is Gerard, and on this channel, we talk about all things fragrance. We do rack store hauls, we do lists, first impressions, we do full reviews. So if you guys like fragrance related content or anything like that, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to see you come back so we can talk about all things fragrance. So let's end the suspense now, because I know the thumbnail is a little bit clickbaity, but the fragrance that we are talking about today is Missoni Parfum Pour Homme. This fragrance to me is really the definition of value. If you have a smaller collection, you will probably appreciate this scent even more, or even a bigger collection. I have a larger collection, but this fragrance I find myself constantly going back to, and you can tell by the level. We're about halfway done with this bottle. And the bottle, again, presentation, when we talk about value, I love this bottle. I love this cap. I love the detail on the cap. It is just a beautiful bottle, feels really nice in hand. I like the color. Obviously the magnetic cap is a really nice sort of little cherry on the top, but I will say that this is actually a good magnetic cap. It's not a cheap one. It feels solid, and that is a strong magnet on there. So I wouldn't pick it up by the cap, but this thing, again, presentation, A+. The reason I thought of this fragrance and I wanted to sort of highlight this fragrance as one that you should buy is because I had a friend reach out to me. My friend Paul reached out to me, and his exact words in text message were, "Hey buddy, I believe you're the resident expert on cologne in the group. Need a fresh suggestion. Not looking to take out a loan for it, but you know, something good for a handsome, rugged fella like me." Paul, we know you're handsome. Paul's a great guy. He's been a longtime friend. So I wanted to give him an option to sort of the first fragrance. I thought of a couple different fragrances where budget is sort of near the top of his list in terms of priority. That's the sense I got. He's not saying, you know, don't spend a lot of money, but look, what we consider a lot of money in the fragrance world, most people would be like, I can't believe you spend that on a bottle of smelly water.
Sweet berry wine.
I understand it from that perspective, but I wanted also something that, again, that adds value, that has a nice presentation, that smells of high quality, but will not break the bank. Now, needless to say, this is one of my favorite fragrances, and I absolutely love it. The atomizer is also really good too. Really good. Almost pressurized, not quite. Magnetic cap. I mean, this thing already checking a lot of boxes for me, but in the air, man, this stuff is so good. This does get compared to Bleu De Chanel from Chanel. However, I've talked about it on the channel prior. I think this is its own scent. I think it stands on its own. I don't think this is a one-for-one clone, not even close. There's an element to Bleu De Chanel for me that it's a bit of an overrated fragrance, and I'll tell you why. Yes, it smells of high quality. It smells really nice, but it's everywhere. You hear everyone. Basically, if you're not even into fragrance, you probably own a bottle of Bleu De Chanel. And there's also a quality to it that I'm not crazy about. I don't really necessarily like the incense smokiness to it. There is birch in this fragrance. However, I don't get a smoky vibe. So it's not that I dislike it so much in the Chanel, but it separates it. It really puts a dividing line between this and the Chanel. I truly don't think they're as close as many say they are. And they're definitely not close in price. We know the Chanel is rarely, if ever, on sale. You never see it at a discount, and it's pretty expensive. And the Missoni can be had for under $45 today. I'm gonna link it down below. For me, this is value packed. So when I first spray this, what I get is a really clean, soapy type lavender, super clean, nothing challenging, with bright, sweet citruses. I also get a little bit of spicy fizziness to this as well when you first spray it on, and really the life of the fragrance. That fizziness remains, and I would imagine some of that's ambroxan. I think there's also a ginger note in here. You know what? As a matter of fact, let's take a look at the notes real quick. The notes for Missoni Parfum Pour Homme. Top notes are grapefruit, lemon, lavender. Mid notes are ginger, apple, and jasmine. And the base notes are birch, oak, sandalwood, musk, and patchouli. I really love every aspect of this. The opening, the mid, the dry down. It never gets boring. It never smells sort of typical. It's just really pleasant through the life of it. The versatility this offers, the compliment factors, I constantly get complimented on this fragrance. You know, I wouldn't say buy something because you think it's going to give you get you compliments. That's not what I'm saying, but it is a nice addition, and it's one of those fragrances that would be easy to compliment. People are gonna love this. You can wear it in any situation. Again, one of the reasons why I recommended it to my friend was its versatility, and you can dress it up, you can wear it casually. Great summertime scent, great wintertime scent. It will fill any situation, fit any role. It's that versatile. And I do get an aquaticness to this. It reminds me of the summer. I think this is going to shine in the warmer months, living your life, enjoying yourself. This is going to be an effortless fragrance. Easy, dumb reach. Just grab it. You're going to smell fantastic. Longevity all day. This projects really well. You're going to get the performance. Really, in my collection, I don't have a better valued fragrance. This is packed with, this checks every single box: presentation, longevity, performance, smell, versatility, an incredible fragrance. And that's why I recommended it to a close friend. And I'm recommending to you guys as well. Missoni Parfum Pour Homme. That's all I have today. Let me know in the comment section down below what your fragrance that you would recommend to one of your closest friends would be. To make it a little more fun, let's say the budget is no more than $50 if they were asking for your recommendation. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.